Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Welcome back to maths class. Today we'll continue the same chapter, ways to multiply and divide. We have already started this chapter, and in this chapter, the previous video, what we started about how to change to the nearest 10. This we have started that how to change to the nearest 10 we have done, and this these rules we have studied. Nearest 100 also we have studied. Nearest 100 also we have studied. In the nearest 100, what we check the number by 50. Means if a number is greater than 50 or 50 plus 1 will be in the first this one. We will add 1 in the number 100 place. Okay. And if it is less than 50, if it is 45 means it is less than 50, so no change will be there. We will write the number as it is, and in place of 45 we will write 00 only. Okay. So if you have any doubt in these rounding off, you can see the previous video. Now this question is there. This is in your maths workbook, page number 82. This was your homework. Hope you all have done. You have to perform these multiplication and change them into nearest 100. Hope you all have done this. If you have done this, you can send me the this photo of this page only, this work. Okay, you have to send this photo of this work to me. Now question number 3. Shivani is bought 3 pieces of land, pieces of cloth. This question also we have done. Question number 4 was your homework, and question number 5 was also your homework. Hope you all have done this. So let's quickly recap the answers and revise this question. Let's discuss. Now question is, Anita's father took a loan of 25,000. His father took a loan of 25,000. Anita needs to pay it back by giving 1,000 every month. She gives 1,000 rupees every month, and she has to pay the loan of 25,000. Okay. She started working in a factory for giving 100 per day. Now when she started working in this factory, she earns only 100 rupees per day. 100 rupees per day means for one day she gets only 100 rupees, and she has to pay how many rupees in a month? She has to pay 3,000 rupees in a month. Now the questions are, the first question is, how much will she earn in 1 month? You have to tell that how much she will earn in 1 month. So you know salary for one day is 100 rupees. So in a month, how many days are there? 30 days are there. So we will multiply 100 by 30. What will get? 3,000. So salary of Anita in 1 month is 3,000 rupees. Is it clear? Hope you all have done like this only. The next one is, see, in a month 30 days are there and 31 days are also there, but for a standard month we always consider a month of 30 days. Okay. Now question number 2, does she earn enough to pay help the loan every month? So does she earn enough? Yes, she earns enough because she earns 3,000 a month and she has to give only 1,000. Okay, so she earns enough. So we have to write yes. How much will she earn in an year? So in an year, how much she will earn? As we know, in a month she is earning 3,000. In a month she is earning 3,000. So in a year, how much she will earn? We know that one year, in 1 year, how many months are there? 12 months are there in a year. So this 3,000 is of 1 month, and when we have to find for whole year means 12 months, we will multiply 3,000 by 12. What we will get? 12 multiplied by 3, 36,000. 1 0 also will come. 3,000, 36,000 will be the answer. So in a year she will earn 36,000 rupees. Is it clear? Hope you all have done in the same manner. Now question number fifth. This question you have to do in your notebook. Question number fifth you have to do in your notebook. All the three parts, first part, second part and third part of this question you have to do in your maths notebook. Now question is, Karthik work in a factory. He is paid 180 rupees for one day. For one day he is paid 180 rupees. If she work for 72 days, if he works for 72 days, then how much he will earn? Now in one day he is getting 180 rupees. So for 70 days what he will get? 180 multiplied by 72. Just multiply these two numbers and you will get the salary for 72 days. Is it okay? Children, as I have already told you, whenever work of one day, salary of one day, or anything of one day is given, one quantity is given, one day or one quantity is given, and you have to find for more. You have to find for more. In that case, you have to multiply. In that case, you have to multiply. Okay, we can say that if you are getting two chocolate one day, two chocolate other day, two chocolate other day, two chocolate other day. So if I'll say how many chocolates you will get altogether, so what is the answer? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. What's the answer? 8. 8 is the answer. Or in the other form, we can do 2 multiply by how many times you get? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 multiplied by 4, 8. So this and this are the same answer. We can say addition and multiplication are interchangeable. They are same thing. So similarly, if he is paid 180 rupees for one day, 180 rupees for one day, for 72 days he is getting same thing. So we cannot write 180 72 times. Can we write? It is very lengthy. So instead of writing 180 72 times, what we will do? We'll just multiply 72 by 180 and we'll get the answer. Is it clear? Okay, let's move. Now, a book has 5,592 pages. A book is there, and in a book, page numbers are written. So, in a book, how many pages are there? 1,592 pages are there. Okay, and each line has 125 pages. So, this is a book. This is the page of a book, and in a line, how many in a page how many lines are there? 125 means one line, two line. Similarly 125 lines are there in this book. 125 lines are there in this book. And if each line has 42 letters, and in each line how many letters are there? 42 letters are there in one line. So you have to find how many letters are there in the book. In the whole book, how many lines are there? You have to find. Okay, so children, in this case what we know? We know that in one total pages are 1592 page. In one single page how many lines are there? 125 lines are there. And how many letters are there in one line? 42 letters are there. So as I had told you, one line is given, means in one line 42 letters are there. So in 125 lines how many letters will be there? Same case, one is given, means quantity of one line is given 42 letters. One line is having 42 letters. So how many letters? 122 125 lines will be having. So what we will do? We will multiply these. Okay, let's see the solution. So letter in one line is 42. Letter in 125 lines will be 125 multiplied by 42, that will be 5250. Similarly, letters in the whole book, or we can say 1592 pages, because in whole book how many pages are there? 15,900 1592 pages are there. So we will multiply 5250 by 1592 and we'll get the answer. What's the answer? 8,027,250. Okay, so this is the answer. These are the total number of pages, total number of the lines in the words in the whole book. Hope so it is clear. And question next is, a truck can carry 7,833 kg of load. How much load 565 such trucks can carry? This question is also easy. One truck carries how much load? 7,833, and you have to find for how many trucks? 565. What you will do? Yes, what you will do? Multiply these and you will get the answer. So all these questions, three questions of this first part of question number 5 and second part of question number 5 and third part, these all you have to do in your notebook. No maths notebook you have to do. Now question number 6, this is of page number 84 of your maths workbook. Page number 86, 84 of your maths workbook. In this question, what you have to do, you have to do the multiplication. First question number 6, you have to do the simple multiplication and you will do these questions very easily. Multiplication, you all know how to do multiplication. Simple multiplication you have to perform. Now question number 7, in this case you have to do the division. You all know how to do division. Yes, so you have to just divide these questions. So this and this is your homework. These you will do yourself. Now question number 8 is, these two you will do in your maths notebook. These two, question number 6 and question number 7, you will do in your maths notebook. Question number 8 also you will do in your maths notebook, but first of all I'll let you know, tell you how to do question number 8. Now in the question number 8, do the following divisions. Also check your results by multiplication. This is given. So in this case what you will do, question number 8, in the question number 8 you have to perform the simple division rule. So you will use the division rule here. We know that the number that from where we are performing the division, by which we are performing the division, is known as the divisor. It is known as divisor, and this is known as quotient, and the number which is to be divided is known as dividend, and the answer that is left is known as the remainder. So divisor, dividend, quotient, remainder, four things are there. Okay, you can see here, from here, the number that is performing the division is known as divisor. The number that is to be divided, that is 50, is known as dividend. The answer that comes is known as quotient, and the whatever is left in the here is known as the remainder. Is it clear? So using these only we will perform the question. Now for this question you can use the remainder theorem. What the remainder theorem says? Remainder theorem says that dividend is equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus the remainder. Okay, dividend is equals to, we can say, which one? Dividend is which one? Dividend means 50. 50 is equals to how much? Divisor multiplied by quotient. Divisor means 18 multiplied by 2 plus the remainder plus 14. Okay, so these two should be equal. Let's see, 50 will be this side only, and 18 multiplied by 2, 36. 36 plus 14, what you will get? 36 plus 14, it is how much? It is 50. So we can say that in this side also 50, this side also 50, means your answer is correct. Okay, so these the questions will do. Question number 8, first part, it is 966 divided by 6. When we perform the division, 6 ones are 6, remainder 3, then 6 ones are 6 6 are 36 again, and when turn up this 6, it will be nothing in the remainder. In this case, remainder is 0. Okay, now we'll check. It is divisor is how much? 600, dividend is 600, 966. 966 is equals to quotient is quotient multiplied by the divisor. So quotient is 161 and divisor is 6. So when we will multiply, we'll get 966. So this side and this side is equal, means our answer is correct. Similarly, in the third part, it is 824 divided by 28. 824 divided by 24. Now in this case, children, see this question very carefully. It is 8 ones are 8. 8 times 1 is 8. Then what comes? 2 comes. But 2 is not divisible by 8. 2 is not divisible by 8. So we have to bring 4 also down. We have to bring 4 down. But if we are bringing two numbers together, then in that case we will put a 0. In that case we will put a 0. So it will be 24 now. 8 3s are 24. Your answer will be 108. Now have to check the answer. Similarly, for checking the answer, what we will do? Dividend is how much? 824. Divisor is 8. Quotient is 103. And remainder in this case is 0. So we need not to write that. So 824 and this side 103 multiplied by 8, 824. So this side and this side are same, means your answer is correct. So this way you can check your answer. Similarly, you will do all the questions and then you will write these in your maths notebook. So question number 11th is also your homework. It is on page number 86. This is your homework. You have to do these questions and try to do all these questions, and we will later on discuss this. Hope so all the things are clear to you. So this is all for today. We'll continue this chapter in the next video. Sai Ram.